Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. This is one of my Hammond B3 organs, and I want to show you something here. Now, this is an organ that I purchased from a fellow technician. He did all the work on the organ before he sold it to me. And this is something here that I just found, okay? When I would hit the tremolo corral switch, sometimes the sound would drop out as if there was a short. And so I pulled this cover off, and look at what I found. I traced this cord from the 428 kit that goes and connects to the tremolo corral switch on the organ. On the front, you see it's going through here, and it goes up through the manuals and connects to the front, is attached to the front of the organ. Well, look at how this was done. So what the individual did was connected the two sides, the wire, and simply soldered it together. Well, and then he took this one piece of tape and taped the whole thing. That's what he did. So when I removed this tape, I noticed that these two wires were touching. So that's what the problem was. So I will take that loose and fix it properly. I'll also, since I have to deal with it, I have a diode that I'll slip in on one of those lines there, and something that I got from Michael at Trek too, and I'll put that on there. And what that'll do is it'll eliminate the delay in switching. Okay, so, but that's something else. All right, so just wanted to share this with you. Until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Dog. Peace out.